This is a review and demonstration of this gutter cleaning kit. It attaches to my Ego brand leaf blower, and I'm going to show you what you do with it. Okay, so I've cleaned out multiple sections of gutter around this house, and as you can see, it's gotten a little bit wet. That's because one of the gutters was plugged and there was water had collected in it. But I used this and I just kind of worked it back and forth right above the downspout inside the gutter and was able to clear a blockage, and then a lot of water poured out. I was also able to just go along the ones that were not plugged and clean out a lot of leaves. It worked extremely well. It's not very heavy. It's pretty lightweight. There's an extra section that I didn't use because I don't need it quite that tall, but it goes a little bit taller than what you see pictured here. It also comes with a strap that you could use to, it has Velcro and a hook, so you could use the Velcro to wrap it around the point right here, which is kind of the center of gravity, and then you could put it over your shoulder and over your head, and then that would support the weight of it if you were doing a long job and you needed some help with that. Anyway, it's a really great contraption. It saves having to get up on the roof, which can be dangerous. I think I like it a lot. It seems really sturdy too. So I was compensated for this review, but I think it's a great product and I hope this helps.